Back, I'm just going to put my V8 cooler onto my Gigabyte motherboard. You see, I changed the fan to Askus blue LED. Put it all back together. I was in one of my other videos. All I've done at the moment is just put this on, connected the 4 screws there. And what I'm going to do now, put that aside, move that out of the way. A bit organised, yeah. Over there. I'm just going to get this out. Got the motherboard on a, you can see, a little bag there. So alright. Move the camera a fraction so you see it a bit better. So what I'm going to do now, I've got the Arctic Silver 5 there, and I've been reading up I've done a few computers in my time, and everybody has a different way of putting this thermal paste on, but I just looked at one and they just put a little grain of rice in the middle there. Some might agree, some might not, but just a little blob there in the middle. Now I used to spread it out, but I did read on the YouTube that you do get air bubbles in, so you know what the heck, I'm going to try it this way. So what we do is pick up the cooler, sure it's up the right way, oh yeah, okay, and then as they lift the board that in, locate it in the holes like that, just tip it over. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit that on the deck like that. And put this backing plate, foam side down, sit that over there like that. That's all I need, isn't it? It's like that. I'm going to go for the screws. There you go. Let's get a full nut on those for the time being. Jesus. Got one there, that one going to sack up. The last one on. Threads are a little bit fiddly. Down hands are big. There you go. Okay, we got us a little tool here. They send along with it. What we do, we just do them up diagonally, a couple of turns. I should spread the Arctic 5 out, hopefully, which I've never done it this way before, but hey, they say you have air gaps, or air pockets should I say, so we'll give it a go like this and see how she works. I've just giving my case another spray. Giving it a coat. Went down the shop this morning, couldn't get the same colour, so it's near as damn it. I just used another screwdriver. I'm just going to give them a little gimp. So I got 4.0 blue, and looks quite nice. Near enough the same as the back of the motherboard. So I'm just going to, you can just feel it strain there, so I do. That's it. One more check like you do your wheel nuts on the car. Okay. Should have a tiny little torque wrench really. It goes down to a couple of pounds or something like that, would be ideal. Maybe I should have a look for one of those. There you go. I'll just turn it back over. There you go. As simple as that. There you go. V8 cooler. Okay, well, also what I did, just because we do these things, you know, I thought I'd try a pair of Kingston. It's 4 gigs, 2 sets of 4 gigs there. At the moment you can see I've got 8 gigs, 4 2 gig sticks and a rip saw. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, for the sheer hell of it, just take them out. I've got a static bag here. Static bag, I'm just going to put those on there. Until I get the case back out for them. I must keep these in pairs. So 2 top ones are a pair, and then the two bottoms are a pair. You never know, there might be a little bit of difference in them, but you know, that's how they came. So what I'll do now is just get my ever trusty things, break the seal. Kingston seems to pack these pretty well. I'll go under the light here a second. As you can see, I've done this plenty of times before. So there you go. So, okay, this should be a, so there you go. It's nice. Should I get them in the right one? Should they go in the slot nicely? Little push and click. There she goes. Right, these are going in the blue slots. I don't know if it'll make any difference to the performance or not, but you know, what the hell. Bit of fun, innit? Okay, and there you go. That's the Kingston put in. I've also got a cooler, RAM cooler to go on there. But I'm not sure if it'll fit, but anyway, we'll try it. If it don't work, it don't work. Who cares? Not me. So I'll just put a pair of these, just sit them in there out of the way for a second. Anyway, that's the V8 cooler and the RAM fitted. So we'll see if it makes any difference. It'll be another week or so before I get anything done, because the case needs to be sprayed. I've got one more coat to put on the case, and then leave it for a couple of days to dry by the log burner down in the lounge, and see how she goes. I'll be back later. Thanks for watching.